Unleash the full power of your favorite live TV and on-demand content directly on your PC with this essential guide to YouTube TV. First things first, let's get you logged in and open your preferred web browser on your PC and navigate to YouTube. You'll be greeted by the YouTube TV sign-in page. If you already have a Google account, simply click the sign in button and enter your credentials. If you're new to YouTube TV, you'll have an option to sign up for a free trial. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your YouTube TV homepage. This is your central hub for all things YouTube TV, showcasing live channels, recommended shows, and your personal library of on-demand content. To access live TV, simply click on the Live TV tab on the left-hand navigation menu. This will display a grid of all the channels available with your subscription. You can scroll through to find what you're looking for, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific channel or program. Clicking on any channel will immediately start streaming that live feed. Want to catch up on something you missed or dive into a movie? Head over to your library from the same left-hand menu. Here you'll find all your recorded shows, downloaded content, and personalized recommendations. You can browse by recently watch your recorded DVR shows or explore movies and TV series available on demand. Managing your subscription is easy. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Membership. This will take you to your account page where you can view your current plan, upgrade or downgrade, and manage your payment information. And that's it. You're now equipped to enjoy a seamless YouTube TV experience right on your PC. Happy streaming.